Yeah, nation people, Gage got Resident Evil. What? Resident Evil? You don't know that? You don't know that movie there where them, where them hunt the zombie them? So that mean from him cover art, him start fire shot. So a really serious thing Gage are going on with right about now. Right now, I see the man attack Shawn Stamp street cred. Him keep attacking. I tell him about him have to work off a boss. Him attack him dancehall ability because him claim him not ram no stage show and him address him counteract the stuff them where Shawn Slam talk about and him emphasize upon the jail thing because him find out say it's a weak spot that for Shawn Slam, so him keep on kick him in it. You don't know how we represent already, real way. Right now, we are waiting for Shawn Stam for forward tomorrow with the next extravaganza because here we are going. If Shawn Stam come tomorrow and find and spit nothing new about Gage and them shit there, the war have to step up and leave the jail thing because right now I mean too much of it. People are going to say, well then Shawn Stam should have known where man get himself into and say, well then, alright, him know him in there so we can't tell the man where to sing but we agree. But I'm saying from a different perspective, for say if Shawn Stam forward with nothing new in a theme this song, I think Gage have to go step it up and start drop something new and stop repeat what them thing there. That's just what me I say. Yes, what me I say it not change nothing from Gage song Bad No Bumper as Clot. Right now, I see Savage come out and violate a portion of man, and I see Sicker Rhymes have some bullet with intense name upon it. Me no know if him drop necessary equipment yet, so me never hear the loud explosion. But me I say right about now, the war get real serious Gaza nation. And hear me now, you see for the vlogger them, see? The vlogger them where you have on the internet, where all this time, these vlogger on the internet been crying out and bawling, say a war them want. Now when I get the war, me hear some vloggers say them now go review Shawn Stam song because he now answer certain things about what Gage I say about the case and the prison thing. Blogger, when you cut the monarchy out, when you full of too much show pony. Or the man for answer them stuff them meanwhile the man have a case going on. You know the man them case going on. Where you want the man for the inform upon himself just for your internet purpose, my brother. What kind of gimmicks thing you not deal with? How not move like that? How not move so unintelligent and act like you don't know what go on? The man can't inform upon himself. You don't forget the man a whole heap of bumper clad credit cause the man them wanna boots up for war out a road, nah war, and the man in a prison have case a go on and still a goon a war. And that you know for talk about what you mean by you not review the man thing. Because the man not answer this and the man not answer that. What kind of gimmicks business in that one? I saw on the road, my brother. Yo, of the world, it's not a plan. Hey, watch what I go on. A franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You don't know it go already, you know. When I come for represent, full effective man. You don't know it go when me load up, pay them up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, You know a loud explosion bout ya. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch this. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Your nation people. Me no know how the man them a roll like that. Me no know how the vlogger them a ball for war, and when them get war, them want war for go the way all them thing. Yo, vlogger, most you can do is tell your fans them, say, tell them what you think of your opinion. But you can't talk about you not go review the man song because the man not do this. Remember, I said the man not war for you, my brother. I for the whole of dancehall. So it can't make because what you want, you not get what you want and I review the man song. Me not understand that. Anyway, we're going to get back to that further down the line. Here we are going. Right now, Shawn Storm, no lie, Gage a punch hard. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing not there about it. Him a punch hard. Because right now, him want destroy your reputation, your street reputation, and him want destroy the gangsterism where him claim say, yeah, no, the gangster, you see what I say? Because you work off a boss and them shit there. He even claim say, you have to carry all the boss toil and all them shit there, my brother. You see what I deal with? Yeah, so him a go on wicked. Right now, him a move mad and mean. But right now, to the bullet them on fire, right now, I can't wait for tomorrow, for hear how you attack all the way him a go on with. You see what I say? Because him come fire a post and a shot today. You see what I deal with? So I can't wait for tomorrow for hear how you attack certain things and or the type of bullet them where you go squeeze off. As me I say to the people them, yeah, Gage song sound wicked. Me love how him deal with it and them shit there. But then and again, me I say if Shawn Storm rise up some new thing where we never even know or things we never even establish about Gage in that new song, you know, I think Gage have to step up in thing and try to do something different. I don't think him can repeat the thing no more. That if Shawn Storm retaliate that way. But right now, we love war go on, my brother. That's what I say. The man them witty and wicked when it come on to lyrics. I don't know who else have a join the war, you know. But we see Savage come out and violate a portion of man. I don't know if not brave man out there for answer. Because this me I talk about the vlogger them a ball long war and when them get war, them a go like them no want support war. You got talk about you now review the man song because the man now answer this or answer that. When you have the artists them out there who now blackboard every day and a boots up and a call up them name and none of them no want war because them afraid for call a man name. Man want this man pan cover art and them shit there. Man all a give regular and them thing there where you must find out. And when you get where you ask you talk about, you know, come on man, cut the monarchy out. Cut the bag of show porn thing out. You see what I say? And stop act like you're not joke because right now the man can't inform upon himself and have a bomber clap body supposed to know that included the vlogger them who talk about them now review the man song. Now gimmicks thing not dead about it. So right now, I don't know what I go on else in terms of a next man enter the war. Right now, Shawn Storm can flip this thing around by tomorrow. You see what I say? Because I remember Fully Bad run out yesterday. So we don't know if tomorrow, Shawn Storm, when him drop the song, it will violate both Gage and Fully Bad. So right now, let's wait and see what go on. Everything cute and Christian, nobody know this. right now, the thing does start. You see me? So let's go and enjoy the thing and support the thing from two lyrical artists. Nobody follow them vlogger there, wanna hear run them mouth and I talk about them now go review man song. Yo, a joke thing when I deal in a blogger. Let me tell you that you know gimmicks thing when I deal in on a ball for war and now when get it and act like you want segregate thing or war for go the way how you want. Yo, let me tell you this, man. On a drive by, give them a walk by. Marrow fly, I like Guinness, carp fly, me dog, them a no puppy rise it like a dopey kill. Who with this and who want try? Me say machine for lock stitching bullet. Like popular me have magnum barrel spinning left enemies in a blood swimming not living. Bomber clot do no blagger. Big bomber clot 4-4 magnum. Cut off mouth shotty fling boy head a ground. Boy have to run when Gaza walk. What?